Claude Code just removed a limit almost nobody knew existed. For every session, you could only ever spawn 200 subagents. Past that, it simply refused. As of this week's update, that cap is gone. Quote, straight from the changelog. Removed the 200 subagent per session spawn cap. Long-running sessions no longer refuse new agents. End quote. To be precise, it's not unlimited. Concurrency and depth limits still apply, but the hard wall that used to just stop you is gone. Second thing, there's a new command, quote, Claude self-hosted runner, end quote. It turns your own machines or your own containers into a place Claude Code sessions can actually run, web, mobile, and desktop sessions, all landing on hardware you control instead of Anthropic's cloud. Team and enterprise plans only, for now. Third thing, for anyone running Claude Code through an organization's gateway. A gateway is the thing that sits between Claude Code and your provider. It manages credentials, tracks usage, and enforces budgets in one place. As of this update, when you hit that budget, the warning actually tells you something useful. Quote, the limit reached message now names the cap, its reset time, and the operator's message. End quote. No more guessing why you got cut off. 3 real ships, same week. The 200 sub-agent cap, removed. Self-hosted runners, your own hardware, not just Anthropic's cloud. And gateway spend limit messages that actually explain themselves. If you watched our subagents video, this is the update to it. The thing that used to stop you from scaling up just went away.